everyone, it's Jill, founder of Kids Baking Club, and it is What Is It Wednesday. Every single week, we talk about a kitchen tool and a food item. I give you hints, and then you have to guess. Are you ready? Let's start with our kitchen tool. This is something that you cut with. Any guesses? Second clue. This is something you might cut a fruit with. Any guesses? This is something you might use to make apple pie. Any other guesses? This is something you would use to cut apples. Yes, you are right. It is an apple core. It's the easiest way to cut wedges of your apples. You just center it in the middle. And the nice thing is the hole here takes out the core so you don't have to eat the seeds, right? Now, I use these to make potato wedges. You just use this to cut your potatoes. You put a little bit of olive oil and sea salt and you bake them in the oven or an air fryer and you have instant potato wedges. Super, super good. Okay. Ready for your food item. Here's your first hint. It's green. I know there's a lot of things that are green, but here's your second hint. It is a vegetable. Yes. Third guess is you can actually grow this in your own planters or your backyard or your garden. Fourth guess, it's in the squash family, like a pumpkin. But it's green, right? All right, did you guess what it is? You are right, it is zucchini. Zucchini is so good for you. I usually slice it up, heat it up either in a saucepan or in the microwave or in the air fryer. So good. But did you know that you can make zucchini bread, zucchini muffins? There's so many other things that you can make with zucchini. It's in the squash family. You'll see it growing on the ground if you plant it, and they can get huge. If you look up in the Guinness Book of World Records, they have zucchinis so big, so fun. So yep, you guessed it, zucchini and apple cores. We will see you next time.